Today, we're diving into something every dog owner wants to know: how to make your dog live longer. If you've ever wished you could add more years to your pup's life, this video is for you. I'm going to share some surprising secrets that can help keep your furry friend healthy, happy, and around for many more adventures. And stay tuned, because I'll be revealing a delicious primal nutrient blend that scientists have recently discovered. A blend that might just be the key to a longer, healthier life for your dog. Curious? Click the link in the description to watch a short video that explains why dog food is brown and how it could be cutting your dog's lifespan by up to 7 years. You don't want to miss this. One of the most important factors in extending your dog's life is the food they eat. A balanced diet packed with fresh, high-quality ingredients is essential for supporting your dog's immune system, energy levels, and overall well-being. But here's the catch. Many commercial dog foods lack certain vital nutrients that your pup needs to truly thrive. That's where this primal nutrient blend comes in. Scientists have found that it contains everything your dog needs to stay healthy and strong. Want to know more? Make sure to click the link in the description to learn how this blend works and why it could be the secret to a longer life for your dog. Exercise isn't just about keeping your dog in shape. It's also about keeping their mind sharp and reducing stress. Regular walks, playtime, and even mental challenges like puzzle toys can significantly improve your dog's quality of life. And when you pair this active lifestyle with the right nutrient blend, you're giving your dog the best chance to live a longer, healthier life. Don't forget to check out the video linked in the description for insights into how dog food could be affecting your pup's lifespan and what you can do to change that. Routine vet visits can catch potential health problems early, giving your dog a better chance at a longer life. But here's the thing, even the best vet care can't make up for a poor diet. That's why adding just a scoop of this nutrient blend to your dog's daily routine can make such a big difference. It's been specially designed to fill the nutritional gaps in traditional dog food, helping your dog stay vibrant and full of energy. To find out more about this blend and how to use it, make sure to click the link in the description. Keeping your dog well hydrated is crucial for their kidney health and digestion. Make sure your pup always has access to fresh water. And here's a bonus tip. When you combine proper hydration with that nutrient blend I mentioned, you're giving your dog's system the support it needs to thrive, even as they age. Want the full details on how this blend can support your dog's hydration and overall health? Click the link below to watch a short video that covers everything, including why commercial dog food might be doing more harm than good. Dogs thrive when they feel safe, loved, and secure. A stress-free environment can do wonders for their well-being. Combine this with a diet that includes the right nutrients, and you're setting your dog up for a longer, happier life. And remember, you don't have to make big changes all at once. Sometimes it's just about adding that one little scoop of the right ingredients to make all the difference. Click the link in the description for more on how to prevent common mistakes that could be shortening your dog's lifespan. And there you have it. Those are my top tips for helping your dog live a longer, healthier life. If you want to learn more about the primal nutrient blend that scientists say could be the missing piece in your dog's diet, click the link in the description. You'll find a short video that reveals why most dog food is brown and how it could be cutting your dog's life short by up to 7 years. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's a game changer for anyone who loves their pup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more tips and tricks to keep your furry friend happy and healthy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.